In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scan receipt data on Freshbooks. Freshbooks is a great tool for managing your business expenses, and scanning receipts is a simple and effective way to keep track of your financial transactions. So, let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Expenses tab within your Freshbooks account. The Expenses tab is your go-to section for all financial outflows related to your business, from office supplies to client lunches. By keeping detailed records here, you ensure that you have a comprehensive overview of your financial health. Once you're in the Expenses tab, you need to click on the New Expense button. This is the starting point for logging any new spending. Immediately after clicking New Expense, you will see an option labeled Upload Receipt. Go ahead and click on that. This feature is incredibly useful as it allows you to keep a digital record of your paper receipts, making them easily accessible whenever you need to review past expenses. Next, a dialog box will pop up prompting you to select one or more image files from your computer. Freshbooks supports several file formats, so whether you have receipts saved in PDF, JPEG, or PNG format, you can easily upload them through this option. Simply browse through your files, select the images of your receipts, and then click on Open. This will initiate the upload process. Once your files have been uploaded, Freshbooks will begin extracting the data from the receipts. This is where the power of Freshbooks really comes into play. The system uses advanced data recognition technology to pull key information from your receipts, such as vendor names, dates, and transaction totals. This automation drastically reduces the time it takes to enter data manually and minimizes the risk of human error. After the extraction process is complete, your scanned receipt will appear in your Upload section within the Expenses tab. This is where you can review the extracted data for accuracy and completeness. It's always a good practice to double-check the data, ensuring that all the information is correct and corresponds to what's on the actual receipt. If everything looks good, the transaction is ready to be saved, providing you with a neat, well-organized record of your expenses. By following these steps, you can efficiently scan and manage your receipts using Freshbooks, saving time and simplifying your bookkeeping process. Keep your financial records accurate and organized with ease, and enjoy the benefits of having your business expenses at your fingertips. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to scan receipt data on Freshbooks. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on streamlining your business operations.